Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today talks about scientists discover the closest black hole the Earth. International group of researchers have discovered the black hole 18,600 light years from Earth. Light is a distance traveled having in 1 year. The speed of light moves to 9.4 trillion kilometer each year. The researchers find the black hole Gaia BH1. Next, the smallest formation is most inaccessible in Kuku FM. Okay, English, Tamil, and people and English. Can choose yearly subscription $3.99 only on offer. Use this code with my code GNSCY37. A yearly subscription $199. Why wasting one book 300 or 1000 rupees? Spending. Okay, so limit for first 25 peoples. Okay, let's move to the top. So it's conclusions of orbital. The black hole is believed the weight about 10 times masser 10 times the masses of our Earth. The team's peoples are say that 3 times closer to the Earth's previously recorded exactly hold. Okay, the new discovered gravitational mass was identified the motion optical star. Okay, what is orbital star? The star orbitals are about the same distance on Earth. Okay, who's find the first black hole? European Space Agency Gaia spacecraft. Gaia has already discovered more than 8 lakhs multi-star system. Okay, the researchers such as find the telescope effectively to observe the orbital motion of black hole star waves. Okay, on the telescopes actually sensing the data. Researchers say the black hole has found formal traditional a cooperation sign. The stars have at least 20 times mass of the Earth. That means the star could believe the short time, only few million years ago. Thank you for watching guys. Another new video which talks about types of scientists.